In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Trello in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Trello or looking to upgrade your current plan, follow along to learn how to navigate this process smoothly. To begin, let's first go to Trello's website, trello.com. Once you arrive at the homepage, direct your attention towards the top navigation bar where you'll find a tab labeled Pricing. Click on it to view Trello's range of plans. This page will present you with an overview of the different plans and features that Trello offers, allowing you to assess which one aligns best with your needs. As you consider your options, it's essential to evaluate the specific features and capacities each plan offers. Maybe you're managing a single project, or perhaps you're coordinating multiple teams. Understanding your individual or team requirements will help you make the most informed decision. Trello provides plans designed to cater to both small teams and large enterprises, so take your time to see which suits you best. After choosing a plan that you find appropriate, it's important to note that Trello plans are applied to single workspaces. Here, you'll need to decide if you'd like to upgrade an existing free or standard workspace. Keep in mind that the selection of the right workspace is crucial because all the tools and upgrades you pay for will operate within it. Now, if you haven't already taken advantage of Trello's free trial, you have the option to use this opportunity to explore the platform more comprehensively without any immediate financial commitment. However, when you're ready, or if you've already experienced the trial, the next step involves adding your payment method. This can be done either right away or at a later date, depending on your readiness to start your upgraded plan. When you're set to proceed, you'll need to input your payment details. Trello provides a secure method for you to enter this information, so have your preferred payment method at hand and ready. Ensure that you double check the details you provide to avoid any errors or hiccups during billing. Finally, with your payment information all set, locate the Confirm Payment button and click on it. This action will officially upgrade your Trello plan, granting you access to the additional features and capacities that come with it. There you have it. You've successfully navigated through paying for Trello. Be sure to explore the new features available to you and utilize them to optimize your productivity and project management within Trello's platform. Thanks for following along, and don't hesitate to revisit any step if you need a refresher in the future.